Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Google Tag Manager in hosting your website. Alright, let's begin. First, you need your Google Tag Manager container ID. Log into your Google Tag Manager account and locate your container ID at the top of the workspace. It usually starts with GTM followed by letters and numbers. Copy this ID as it will be used to connect your website. Next, go to your Hostinger account. Open the H panel and navigate to the Websites section. Click on Edit Website to launch the builder. Inside the builder, look at the left sidebar for the three-dot menu. Click it, then select Integrations tab. Here, you'll see a field for Google Tag Manager. Paste your container ID into this field and save your changes. Finally, click the Update or Publish button to apply your changes. Hostinger will automatically insert the GTM snippets into the header and body of your site. So that's basically how you can add Google Tag Manager in hosting your website. That's it for this video. Thanks.